Okay, introduce yourself.
Green technology. What is green technology? Green technology that comes from natural sources like sunlight, wind, and water. And the fourth one is biomass. Green energy produce electricity without harming our environment. And it is important for our environment because it does not produce any greenhouse gases or reduce carbon emissions. There are some examples of green technology. First one is solar energy, second one is green energy, and the fourth one is third one is energy, and the fourth one is biomass. First, solar energy. Solar energy is a process in which sunlight converts into electrical energy. Solar energy effectively goes and this is all run by our solar energy. And second one is wind energy. The movement of kinetic energy of wind into electricity is called wind energy. And the third one is hydroelectricity. The cooling of water from a higher concentration is called hydroelectricity. And the fourth one is smart dustbin. When the smart dustbin is full, it gives an alarm to the other nigam and they will confirm an occupant car and collect the wastage to it there.
Okay, leave it. Next.
These are street lights run by our solar energy. And there are various uses of solar energy like solar cooker, solar water irrigation, and solar panel. And they glow on the street lights. And there is the wind energy like and the fourth one